Hi everyone, it's T-Tech, and in this video I am going to show you how can you solve the problem this account cannot use WhatsApp. Probably WhatsApp banned your account because of misuse of WhatsApp. There have two types of ban. One is permanently banned and another is temporary banned. So permanently banned, you cannot get back your WhatsApp by here clicking register new number. You can see here option register new number. If you click here register new number, they will ask you for registering new number. It's the problem of this account cannot use WhatsApp. But if you got temporary ban, then you will got the option request a review. You can see here request review, but in permanently banned you don't get this option. So in this video I will show you how can you get back your permanently banned WhatsApp account. So before starting the video, I ask you for something. Please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. For recovering your permanently banned WhatsApp account, you have to go first in your Play Store. You can see here I am on my Play Store. After come here on your Play Store, you have to search simply here WhatsApp. You can see here WhatsApp. You have to simply search on it, and you have to make sure your WhatsApp is updated, and then you have to click on your WhatsApp. You can see here WhatsApp. You have to click on your WhatsApp. Then you have to scroll down, and then you can see here option app support. App support, you have to top down arrow, and then you have to click here on email. You can see here email. You have to click here email. After clicking here email, you can see here this kind of interface. There you have to write a appeal to WhatsApp. That's why your WhatsApp have been banned. So in subject you have to write my WhatsApp account is banned. My WhatsApp account have been banned. You can see here my WhatsApp account has been banned, and here in compose email you have to write a email. So I write it from before, simply I copy it from my notepad. You can pause the video here and can copy it from here, or I will put it in my description. You can copy it from my description. After that you have to go back from here and you have to paste it here, and you can see here option number. You can see here number. Here you have to put your number, and then you can see here option attachment. Here in attachment you can see here attachment. Then you have to click here attached file. You can see option attached file, and here you have to put the image. You can see here the image you have to put here, and then you have to send it WhatsApp. You can see here I have put it, and you have to send it in WhatsApp. So this is first process, and second process is you have to go your any of browser. I am simply opening my Google. After opening here Google, you have to search here for WhatsApp support. You can see here option WhatsApp support. You have to simply click here WhatsApp support, and then you have to click connect WhatsApp, and then you can see here option contact us. You can see here option. You have to click here contact us, and then you have to put here your country code, and then you have to put here your number and email address and confirm your email address, and then you have to select through which phone you have been using your WhatsApp. Simple I am using through Android, so I select Android, and then here you have to write again the message, and you have to cut here the number option, and then you have to click here next step, and by this WhatsApp will receive your application. After that they will review your application. If all the thing you write is correctly, then WhatsApp will get back to you through your email address, and then this way you will can get back your WhatsApp account. So this is today's video. If you have any inquiry related to the video, you can ask me in my comment box, and also I provide my Facebook link in description box. You can connect with me in my Facebook. Thank you so much.